All right, we have more news coming in. Let's take a look at these pictures at this point in time. Prime Minister Narendra Modi right at the backdrop of the Chenab Bridge, which you see on your screens at this point in time. Prime Minister Modi in Jammu and Kashmir today, flagging off the inaugural Vande Bharat train to Kashmir from Jammu's Katra. It's a historic moment for the region as decades-long dream now a reality in Kashmir. Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla railway link to connect Kashmir with rest of the country. The Prime Minister inaugurating the world's highest railway bridge over Chenab River. He will board the train from the world's highest railway bridge to Katra. Besides, the Prime Minister will be also inaugurating the Anji Bridge, which is India's first cable-stayed railway bridge. He will be addressing a massive rally as well in Katra to gift these projects worth over 46,000 crore. It's a game-changer bridge and the inauguration is going to be done now. These are pictures of the Prime Minister who's reached Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, a key visit after the Pahalgam terror attack. The message loud and clear that you foment trouble, but we focus on development. We focus on progress, and hence the inauguration of this key infrastructure that is being done. He is in Jammu and flagging off the inaugural Vande Bharat train to Kashmir from the Jammu's Katra region. It's a historic moment for Jammu and Kashmir as decades-long dream, undoubtedly a reality now in Jammu and Kashmir. It's Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla railway link, which is connecting Kashmir with the rest of the country. The Prime Minister inaugurating the world's highest railway bridge over the Chenab River. The Prime Minister boarding the train from world's highest railway bridge to Katra. Besides this, the Prime Minister is inaugurating the Anji Bridge, which is India's first cable-stayed railway bridge. He will be addressing a massive rally at Katra as well to gift projects worth over 46,000 crore. It's the world's highest arch bridge, and this is being inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Chenab Bridge, undoubtedly an engineering marvel here, which is getting inaugurated. Pictures are of the Prime Minister who has reached Jammu and Kashmir. These are pictures from the Chenab Bridge right there. It's the much talked about and much awaited inauguration. Remember, this is historic in every sense of the word, because it comes after the horrific attack that took place on the 22nd of April in Pahalgam. It's a message undoubtedly. After the Pahalgam attack and after India's retaliation, the lesson we taught to Pakistan via Operation Sindoor. Henceforth, this development project that is being inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. The making of the world's highest railway bridge that can weather an earthquake. It's an engineering marvel in every sense of the word. Piyush, it's extremely important. Not just because it's an engineering marvel, it's a key piece of infrastructure which was much needed and awaited in this region, but also because it comes after the horrific Pahalgam attack, after Operation Sindoor. We have this effort from the government of India to send out a message that we will focus on development and progress no matter how Pakistan continues to foment trouble in this region, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, Sneha. A couple of days back, I was also speaking to MOS PM Dr. Jitendra Singh, who also comes from the state of Jammu Kashmir, and he was telling us that at a time when the country was giving a befitting reply to Pakistan and Operation Sindoor was carried out, at the similar time, the focus of the nation was on economy, was on infrastructure development, was on connectivity, and that's why we are today able to take part in this huge flagging of ceremony of this train, Vande Bharat train, which will begin from Katra, will culminate its journey in Srinagar. It is going to be 3-hour, 10-minute long journey, and this journey is going to reduce the travel time from around 8 hours to just 3 hours. It is also cost effective. We have just got confirmation also from railway officials that the fare of this train journey will be just 715 rupees from Katra to Kashmir. So it has also reduced the time travel has also been reduced, and money has also been reduced, which is going to be economically viable for the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and also for the people of nation across the country. Right now, we are also present in this chair car of Vande Bharat, which is also to be flagged off by PM Narendra Modi, and you can see as to how it is a technologically upgraded chair car where we have two hot cases. Then we have a deep freezer compartment. This entire train is also laced with various technology which can run in not only hot weather but also in harsh cold weather also. And this is going to give all weather connectivity. 12 months this train will run, which will be able to help in the economy also of this union territory. So it's going to be a historical day today. PM Narendra Modi will be reaching here in a few minutes from now. He will be first going to Chenab Railway Bridge, then he will go to Anji Khad Bridge, and after that he will come here at Katra Railway Station, where he is going to inaugurate both the bridges and also flag off Vande Bharat train, which will begin from Katra and then go to Srinagar, will complete its journey in just 3 hours 10 minutes. Right now we are on board this train, and this is a technologically advanced train which has all the technology, giving a lot of opportunities to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. It is also going to be beneficial for the farmers, for the students, for a lot of sections of Jammu and Kashmir. So it's going to be a historical day. PM Narendra Modi will be reaching here in a few minutes from now, and after inaugurating both the bridges and also the flagging of train, he is also going to address to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. So it's going to be a very big achievement, historically achievement for the government, for the railways also. If we talk about this entire rail route, it is 272-kilometer long rail route which has 38 tunnels, also more than 900 bridges. The two engineering marvels, Chenab Railway Bridge and Anji Khad Bridge, are also very important. Chenab Railway Bridge is 35 meters taller than Eiffel Tower, 5 times taller than Qutub Minar. And this bridge was also constructed using various technologies. This bridge can also withstand an explosive of 40 kilogram, and also seismic data has been collected around this entire area where the Chenab Bridge is, so that if there is any kind of seismic activity, that can also be withstood by this bridge. So all the things have been kept in mind while the construction of this bridge. And remember that Prime Minister was to inaugurate this bridge on April 19, but because of climatic conditions, he could not come here, and today he is going to dedicate projects worth more than 40,000 crore to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and also he is going to inaugurate two big bridges. Those are part of this entire rail route which connects Jammu and Kashmir, and is going to give a lot of opportunities to the people of this entire